I'll be using this bag as a pump bag. I'll be pumping probably twice today, so I just in case I prepared for that. So in this mama pocket, I have not yet put anything here. I probably won't be putting anything, or if I do, I would probably just put an alcohol there. And then in this pocket, this is the insulated pocket of a Be Supplied. So let me turn this on. So in here, I placed a First Lady. So this one is insulated. This is the insulated pocket of a Be Supplied. But just in case, I also placed a First Lady fuel cell in here. So in my fuel cell, by the way, the First Lady is a very understated print, if I may say. I placed 4 Medela bottles and a cooler. These are currently empty, but after I pump, I would be needing them to be cool and insulated so that I can bring them safely back home through the 2-hour drive here. So I love the fact that the Be Supplied has this. So it's a good organizer if you want to put a lot of things. And I find my Be Supplied would be perfect when you do have picnics. As you can see, it fits a fuel cell perfectly. Okay. In this compartment, this is actually just a bottle compartment. You can put bottles here if you want for the Be Supplied, but I'll just be putting my nursing copper here as my bottles are already in my fuel cell. Okay, let's open the main compartment. The way the Be Supplied opens is in kind of a U shape. It doesn't open like a normal bag, which for me is a really good opening, and it doesn't go straight down like the BFF. However, you can flap this open, so it opens still a big one. And I have here my Be Quick for all my mom essentials. I will be having my vaccinations today, so in my Be Quick in Rose Garden print, I placed some of my BB creams and my powder, a tie for my hair, of course a mask is essential during this time, and then my money in another coin purse in Rose Garden print. So that's what is in my Be Quick. I place my mom essentials here so that I can simply grab this if I have to go and leave my Be Supplied in the car. So let's put this one here. For my other essentials, I placed it in a Duchess Be Ready. So this is the Be Ready in Duchess print. I placed my pump parts are in here. So I use my Medela Freestyle Flex. So it's in there plus the tubings. I love the fact that the Be Ready has some of these compartments in the side, so you can easily put your tubings in there. And then I placed my tubings here, a cloth, and then my connectors, and an extra bottle, and my flanges. So the Be Ready I love using my Be Ready as the main pump parts compartment that I use whenever I travel. So it fits again. As you can see, the fuel cell extended inside. I don't know if you can see it well. Yes, you can. But you can still put a Be Ready there perfectly. There it goes. And then here I have nothing to put, but that's good as an emergency pocket in case I have to put something there. And then as you can see, it's still spacious inside. Put my Be Quick. This one is for my grab and go. And closing this one. And yeah, this is my Be Supplied as a pump bag, and it works perfectly just for that. So I hope this video has been helpful, and see you next time. And once again, I'm Sam J, and this is Mothering 2.